Welcome everyone. Um, these are my pliers made out of popsicle sticks. Okay, I used wood glue to put it together. There's a small nail, 1-inch nail, that goes across the sticks. Now, I got the idea from looking at the real pliers. This one's. They work the same. Okay. Let's just see how they work. Well, here I have a paper clip. Let's see. I'll try to bend the clip with the pliers. Let's try to straighten it out. So here you can see there's a good amount of pressure there. So let's try to do something else. Go play with it. Well, you could bend paperclip pretty easy. Yeah, do whatever you want. Okay, let's see if I could pick up. See if you can see the dime here. I'll try to pick it up with the pliers. There you go. Let's see if I guess I could do it with the metal pliers. Yeah, same thing. Let's try to pick up the small nail. I don't know if you can see it. I'll bring it up. Alright, there it is. Here, let's see if you can see it there. It's a 1-inch nail. Let's take it out. There it is. Well, you could. Oh, I dropped it. Let's go with some other things. Let's try to pick up a small electric motor. Here you go. Yeah, I got it from the shaft. Here. Well, it holds it pretty good. There you go. Now, here I have a popsicle stick. Let's see if I can break it. Let's try it like this. I gotta get a good grip. See if it'll break it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was good. Let's see, a shorter one. Wow. All right. Yeah, so it has a good amount of strength here. Okay, now I have a pen. Let's see if I could do something with this. See if I could write something or by holding it. Let's just draw or write something. Well, the pen is not working really good. doesn't work. I got a cheap pen then. Well, I got a pencil here. Let's pick it up from the... Alright, let's see if it'll work. That's right. The word hello. Yeah, so it has a good grip. That's a pencil. Yeah, and the pen. Let's try the pen. Let me see if I can do it with my hand. Oh, there you go. Let's try it again. Yeah. It writes. So I'm just showing you that it does have a good grip, even though it is flat. Okay, let's try something else. Oh. Oh. See, just putting some pressure on the cap. Okay, well, let's try to open up this bottle of glue. Since I cannot put it over here, I'll try it from the top. Let's give it a twist. Wow, it's losing its grip. Try it the other way. Let's try like this. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if you can see the dent. Okay. And let's just pick up a ruler. Yeah. Now, let's try to remove a nut from a bolt. Let's see if you can see it from here. The whole thing is turning, the bolt and the nut. I'm going to try to hold it from the bottom. There you go. Yeah. Once you have that, you can take off the nut. Let's just try to put it back in. Okay. Let's use the pliers. There you go. Nice. Okay. Now let's test the strength with some weight. This is a 2.5 pound plate. There you go, 2.5 pounds. Well, let's see if we can pick it up. Doesn't seem like it's too heavy, but it is. For the popsicle stick pliers. But look at that. Yeah, so it has a good grip and it's pretty strong. You try to pick it up with your fingers, well, it's pretty easy. Yeah. Well, that's about it. Pretty simple. Very simple. But the pliers are just like a simple tool, but very effective. You can do a lot of stuff with them, even though it's just a simple tool. Well, thank you for watching.